Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to share with you guys why I'm focusing on building an email list. An email list is one of the most important, if not the most important, of the assets your online business can have if you are thinking long term, okay? An email list is something that is going to be the crucial step if you succeed or not in online business in the long term, okay? Have that in mind, and with that mindset, start building it. And why I'm saying this? Because the difference between an email list and your social media page, your YouTube channel, your TikTok channel, any type of social media, is that you are not the owner of that. You don't have the full control of what you can do, or if you can send a type of message there. You are not the owner of that. So at any moment, YouTube, Facebook, they can ban you, they can cancel your account, and you will lose all the assets. I highly recommend you to work on those, as I'm doing right now, building this YouTube channel from zero, from scratch, trying to provide value, try to grow, helping you and myself as well. And myself in the sense of improving my communication skills, how I record videos, the value I'm trying to transmit in each video. But to the point, an email list is something that you own completely. So no matter if they take you out of YouTube or Facebook, you have that asset. And if you build it over time, like right now I have 50 subscribers to my email list. I started 2 months ago, but every single day I try to create content and post it and share it so that I am able to have the opportunity of growing my list. And that should be your focus. At the beginning, you have to think that this is a marathon, it's not a speed race, and it's going to take time for you to actually have a big email list. But as long as you keep growing it a little bit every single day or every week, that's a positive sign. And that has to make you proud, because you are building a long-term asset. An asset that is going to help you and your business in the future. So think it like this. If you started today, like me, 3 months ago, and now I have 50 subscribers, imagine what could I have in 5 years if I start getting good at it, if I start improving, if I continue being consistent. If I have 50 in 3 months, that means if I continue in the same speed, in 6 months I will have 100, and in a year I will have 200. But imagine that conversion rate speeds up and grows. Maybe instead of 200 I will have 400 or 500, and that times 5. So start thinking long term, start thinking in what you can do, because when you send emails, the good thing as well is that you can send almost anything. There are no many restrictions like in other social media platforms or YouTube, for example, and you can send it in any time of the day. Doesn't matter, because it's not like you are sending a text, it's not that you are sending a promotion. It's something that is going to be to their email list, to their inbox, and they can see it whenever they want. Okay? So this is the reason why I believe building an email list is so important if you are thinking long term for building your online business. And this is not just my opinion, it's the opinion of many successful internet marketers that have built up huge email lists over time, like Sebastian Gomez, like Tai Lopez, Neil Patel. All of them recommend to create high quality content and focus on building your email list. Okay? Those are your assets. YouTube channel, Facebook page are also assets, but they are not yours. So focus on building them as well, because they are going to help you drive the traffic. That's the mindset, that's the goals. So have this in mind. And just to finish the video, I have a goal for myself. Right now I'm between 1, 2 and 0 subscribers a day. So my goal is by the end of the summer, by the end of July, have a consistent flow of subscribers, between 2 to 5 a day, still running ads, still building, creating content, sharing in Facebook groups, sharing in my website, sharing on LinkedIn, sharing in YouTube, So that's my goal. And well, don't forget to check out my website. I have a lot of free content, lots of vlogs that provide tons of value there. I also have a free ebook that might interest you, so highly encourage you to check that out as well. With nothing more to say, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.